How you doing, folks? This is TJ from Efico Software. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use universal search for the iPhone 3G, the iPhone 3GS, and the iPod Touch, all running OS 3.0. Universal search essentially it seamlessly integrates with Spotlight, allowing you to search the web right from Spotlight, and gives you a really great productivity boost while on the go. So to access universal search, you would go about your normal business of searching uh, Spotlight. So in this example, I want to find out where Transformers is playing around me, the movie. So I go about searching Spotlight, and Spotlight will return what it's found on my iPhone. But once I scroll, uh, you will notice that we've replaced the standard four icons with a series of search engines that are scrollable. And once I found movies, I select movies, and it'll bring up all the movie search engines that are available. And so what you see now is that movies is actually a category, and you know a category by that circular icon to the right of the icon. So to such that news is also a category that allows me to search blogs, news, CNN. Same thing with images. And the reason why we've done this is we just don't want a lot of icons. We want a more efficient layout, and that's grouped. So I select movies and I select listings, and universal search will go and find my current location. And once it's found my current location, it takes me online, and it loads the movie listings really quickly in an iPhone friendly format. So another good example to do is uh, search images. So, for instance, my friend told me about a really cool car called the McLaren SLR, and I'm just going to type that into Spotlight, and I just select the images group or category, and I have options to search Flickr or Google Images. I'm going to select Google Images, and it's going to take me online, and it's going to load the results uh, for me pretty much right away. So that's the cool McLaren SRL, and it is one really cool car. But once again, this shows you just the advantages of universal search in that we load the mobile version of these search engines so that you get your results fast and in a format that's very readable. Another one that I use quite a lot is um, Urban Dictionary. Urban Dictionary is great for words that, slangs that people use on a regular basis that you don't understand. So I type in BFF, I type in Urban Dictionary, it takes me to the site, and boom, I found out what BFF means right away. So Urban Dictionary is very good, particularly for you older folks when your kids start saying all these words that you don't understand. Um, I use stocks a lot. It's interesting what's going on between Palm and Apple these days. So with Google Finance, I can instantly search for Palm and get all the results. Uh, all the news, their latest stock price, what they're up to in terms of their friendly battle with Apple. So all that information is available for me right away. Um, Also, in Spotlight, we allow you to search maps right from Spotlight. Uh, and so I'm going to just type in Panera Bread and select maps, and it's just going to load the Maps app and load all the Panera Breads uh, in my current location right about now. There you go. So that's very useful, we think, because Spotlight is something that you're gonna access, you know, really, really quickly all the time by just you know selecting home, you know, and double tapping your home button. So we think being able to search the Maps app, from Spotlight makes you be able to do things faster. So another thing that we do that you find very useful is that if you just start typing a web address, Universal Search is intelligent enough to know that you're typing a web address and you want to visit a website, so it'll allow you to do that. If you start typing a number, uh, it is smart enough to know that you probably want to call that phone number or send a text message to that number. So it does that. So that's pretty much Universal Search in a nutshell. We think you really like it. We think it gives a great productivity boost while on the go, giving you access to all the best search engines in the world. Thanks a lot for watching this.